Yeah. Bi'ur Mishnah Bet. Explanation from Mishnah Bet. Bat Israel, a woman from another tribe, sheniset lekohen, that became married to a kohen, ve'echnisa lo avadim, and she brought with her slaves, ben avdei milog, ben avdei tzon barzel. Whether the slaves were the first kind or the second kind. Harei elu yochlu betruma. Then they're allowed to eat in truma, obviously. Bat Israel, she's allowed. Yeah, no psul. Shu'il v'yu ochelet betruma. Why? Because since she's allowed to eat truma, whatever she owns also eats truma. Af avadei ochlim. Even though it's not the husband's, but it's hers. And she's allowed. Before, she wasn't allowed to be married. Over here, she is allowed. Yeah? Shene'emar, ve'kohen ki yikne nefesh. Like the first verse from before. A kohen, when he buys a soul, kinyan kaspohu yochal bo. He bought it with his money. He's allowed to eat truma. V'darshu chachamim, af kinyan kaspo shel kinyano ochel betruma. And the sages learn from this verse, also whatever he buys, it is truma. What did he buy? His wife. So the slaves of the wife can also eat truma. Ho'il ve'akinyan ochel ba. What happened? Ubat kohen. Whatever the daughter, the opposite case. The daughter of a kohen, sheniset li Israel. The daughter of a kohen gets married to a Jew. Ve'echnisa lo, someone who's not a kohen. And she brought into the marriage ben avdei melug, ben avdei tzon barzel. And she brought in slaves of milog and tzon barzel. So until now, all these slaves were allowed to eat truma. Because they come from her father's house. The father's house, all the slaves eat truma. And it's hers. So now she married a Jew, regular Jew, not a Kohen. Harei elu lo yochlu betruma. Now she got bought out of being a Kohen. Yeah? Before she was belonged to the father, now she belongs to the husband. That's it, it's over. Sho'il v'hi atzma ina ochelet. Since now she's not allowed to eat on herself, shene'emar, ubat kohen ki tiyeh li'ish zar. It says the daughter of a kohen, if she's going to get married to a man of another tribe, he betrumat hakodashim lo tochal. She has to stop eating from the truma, from the tithing. Af avadea einam ochlim betruma. So therefore her slaves also not allowed to eat in truma. Va'afilu avdei milog shela. Even of the slaves of milog, because you can say milog maybe still belongs to the father a little bit, because it's hers and goes back after that to the father's family. So it's not enough. It's not allowed to eat truma. Okay.